Hello everyone. I'd like to invite you to join our course titled A Gentle Introduction to AI, a preparatory course for generative pre-trained models or GPT models. In this course, you will understand the fundamental of AI, neural networks, and GPT models. You will learn concepts like the perceptron, supervised learning, and gradient descent. Also, you'll get hands-on experience creating and training simple neural networks and familiarize yourself with using pre-training GPT models in Python. You'll develop an understanding of tokenization, context, and different types of queries. Our course is designed for beginners who want to get started with NI and GPT models. While basic knowledge of any programming language is highly recommended and familiarity with Python programming will be beneficial, no general understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts is required. Throughout this course, we'll delve into various topics ranging from the basics of AI and neural networks, building a micronetwork, creating more advanced networks, working with pre-trained GPT models in Python, and finally practical applications and projects. In our lab work, you'll apply the concepts you learn in the theory classes by working on practical exercises and mini projects using Python and GPT models. We encourage students to share their experience and progress, fostering a collaborative learning environment. So, if you are wanted to dive into the world of AI and neural networks, this is your chance. Let's explore the possibilities of AI together. I hope to see you in class soon.